Good morning, students. These days we are doing model test papers, and today we are going to start the model test paper number 2. First we have completed. I think you have got all the submissions, all the solution you have got, and you have solved that. So today we are going to start the model test paper number 2, and the first section is reading section. You know very well. So in reading section you have 2 passages, and today we are going to read those 2 passages and the questions on the basis of that, and the answers also we shall discuss side by side, and I shall send you the PDF also of the answers. So let us see model test paper section A, reading. First passage. The most used and often the most ignored area of the entire house is the kitchen. The room is used a minimum of 3 times a day, 7 days a week, yet often it is the smallest place. The size is not what makes a kitchen an attractive, efficient workplace. Undoubtedly, it should be large and airy with a lot of natural light. But even in a small room, wonders can be achieved with just a little care of planning. First, if you are considering or removing the kitchen, try to use tough, easy to maintain light materials. The flooring should be such that it survives even with the rough wear and tear. Scratch and impact proof flooring is ideal. Get a trolley with wheels for the gas cylinder, as dragging it over the toughest of floors every time you have to get a refill from the gas man is definitely going to run the floor. Tiles on the wall, particularly near to cooking area, are a good idea as they are easy to wipe off and clean. This is a place where the walls are otherwise covered with spots or foot that splatter while cooking. Tiles need not to be plain. It is easy to get lovely ones with fruits, vegetables, etc. made of them. Now this is the paragraph, and on the basis of this paragraph you have been given fill in the blanks and the questions. Let us see the questions one by one, or the blanks, and then we shall try to fill the blanks in that. So first is that the kitchen is used at least dash a day. So we have to see the answer. How many times it is used? It is thrice, 3 times, for all the days of a week. Then yet it is the most dash area in the house. It is the most ignored area. Most ignored area is there in the house. Moreover, it is generally the dash place, the smallest place. It should be large and airy, because all the time, many times we are living here, we spent a lot of time here, so it should be large and airy. To have dash light, the light should be natural light should be there. Tough, easy to maintain and light materials should be used while one is constructing or renovating a kitchen. When we are constructing or when we are renovating the kitchen, such things should be taken care. So this is our first para, and we have filled the blanks on the basis of the reading. Now see the second one. There are great artists and there are great human beings. Only a select a few like Ashok Kumar are blessed with both qualities. The grand old man of Indian cinema is no more after a magical journey of 90 years. And yet there is a universal feeling that is inevitable has happened a little too soon. Through his sheer zest for life and communicative skills, Ashok Kumar won many friends as fans. The tears being shed at the departure have no trace of glycerine, for everyone loved him for because he was a superstar, but because he was a wonderful person. The young man who came to the nascent film industry bringing with him a natural style of acting, while was a far cry from the declamatory style of that era, stayed on for nearly 60 years, adding not only glamour but also respectability to the profession. If his sheer longevity was remarkable, so was the fact that he managed to steer clear of controversies. Right from Jeevan Naiya in the 30s to Aankhon Mein Tum Ho in the 90s, he remained perhaps along with Raj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar and Dev Anand, generations came and generations went. Ashok Kumar went on and on. So this is the paragraph, and on the basis of this paragraph we have been given the questions. So let us read the questions and answer them one by one. I have also made a tick on the answers for you people so that you can solve them easily. So the first question is, Ashok Kumar was known as a great actor, a great human being, the grand old man of Indian cinema, the most recognizable face of Indian cinema. And the answer is the grand old man of Indian cinema. Now the second question is glycerine causes. So we have to find out the reason, what is the cause of glycerine. Glycerine causes genuine tears, real tears, big tears, or the false tears. So the answer is glycerine causes false tears. Then your C part question is, the best title for the passage is. The most suitable title we have to find out. Ashok Kumar is no more, Ashok Kumar's ultimately death, Ashok Kumar a superstar, and Ashok Kumar a great actor and person. So the most suitable heading is Ashok Kumar a great actor and person. The fourth one question is, Ashok Kumar greatest contribution was. We have to tell what was the greatest contribution. His declamatory style, his natural style, Jeevan Naiya ya Aankhon Mein Tum Ho. So his natural style was the greatest contribution to the Indian cinema, and we have made a take on that. And now E part is, Ashok Kumar added to his profession. 4 options have been given to us: glamour, controversy, glamour and respect, and glamour and controversy. So the answer is glamour and respect. So these are the 2 passages, and the questions are there on the basis of that. And I am also sending the PDF to you for the answers, so that you can solve the answers also, and the passage is also there. So I hope you will be able to solve it, and please send me the PDF also after the solution. So it's bye for today. Students, you complete your work and send it to me, and solve this MTP in your English too. So bye students.